Oh, you kiss him.
Hey, you want the keys? They don't want it. They just want the package.
They're fighting over it.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
There you go. There you go.
Notice
There
that
you
was
go.
your kid, not his.
There you go. Okay? All right. You okay? You okay?
Was Josh heavier than Dylan?
You sure looks the
Josh, you mean Chase?
I can't
No,
believe these
no,
two.
your kid.
Tyler?
Tyler,
They're
see
just
him.
having a good time.
Heavier than Dylan?
Yeah.
He looks like him.
Hi.
Tyler's heavier than
He
Dylan.
looks like him.
Chase, you need a little brother.
He's a lot shorter too.
Oh,
Are you
Dylan looks like
playing?
he's put on a little bit of weight. When he's naked, he looks so skinny.
This doesn't take after mom. I was always chubby. Chubby, chubby, chubby. Where'd Manda Joe go?
Yeah.
Amanda!
David, don't stick your hands in that other
Shannon,
side. That's really hot
Take that,
water.
Shannon, do me a favor. Take that picture up, or that camera up there, and take a picture of these two and stuff.
Tyler, David, I can't see your face.
He's smiling at Tyler.
Hi, boys. Tyler. Oh, Tyler, David. Hi, Tyler.
Chase, over here. Tyler! Chase. Chase.
Hi, boys.
Up there, Chase. Chase. Hey. Chase.
Tyler.
Chase. 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 Chase.
We got a monkey back here.
Jeez, nothing gets his attention.
No, he's interested, I suppose.
What do you think?
Chase.
He thinks that's for him. I'm sure it probably fit him pretty snug, too.
Chase.
He knows how to do it. Look at him empty it upside down.
Oh.
Tyler's going the other direction. Oh, what happened? Oh, look at the look on his face. Careful, Deke, not too much.
Oh my God. He has no
What's in there?
Go to Darren.
He has no clue what happened.
Careful, not too far out, honey.
No, that's cool.
You go, boy.
Where'd you get that?
Coals. Oh.
Chase?
Chase. Oh, he's not sure.
He's not sure, is he?
Hey, that's enough. We'll put it on you. Tyler, come on over and play in it. Dylan. Hold on. Dylan, look at mommy. Oh, you look so pretty.
Chase.
Tyler, come on over here.
Chase. Hey.
Chase is sitting there with the funniest look on his face.
Chase.
Hey,
What's up?
Chase. He's like scared of it. He's frozen. He looks like he's got this. Like, you gotta come see the front of his face.
Oh my God.
Now watch his face.
Chase?
Nice hair, Chase. Oh.
Chase. Son. Chaser. Chase.
Now he's starting to enjoy it.
Chase.
Chase. Tyler, come on over here.
Chase.
Tyler. Hi, do you want to go get over there?
Yeah, now you think it's
Tyler, what are you doing? What is all that stuff?
It's raining.
Tyler's like, I know how to get away. I'm not going to sit there like Chase does. Oh, there he goes. Look at Chase. Look at Tyler.
It's a man, Mama. It's a man on me.
Oh, here we
Put some on
go.
Dylan. Put some on Dylan. Put some on Mom.
Oh, Grandma got rained on.
Look at Tyler. There goes his feet. Look at Tyler. Dylan, are you having fun?
Is that funny?
Look at Tyler.
Raining on you?
Careful, Dylan, because Chase is right there. You watch what you're doing.
Careful, Dylan. Don't kick Chase, honey.
Dylan,
Gee, Dylan, go wild. Jeez.
you have to get this stuff more often.
Boy.
Just let him play with it.
Freak when she sees I put the stuff in these gifts.
Huh?
I thought you're gonna bum out when you see that I put the stuff in there.
We should just start buying it for him for gifts. What you got, Tyler?
See ya.
I can only imagine how close up you are, buddy. Ah. What you doing, huh? Oh, no, you can't have the
He's
camera.
starting to enjoy it a little bit.
You go sit over there. You go sit down. Ah.
What?
Chase, what you doing? Hi.
Barney.
Hi, little Chubbaroo.
Yeah. I think I showed him how to turn Barney on. Yeah, it's in the paw. Love it.
Everybody loves Barney.
It's a big, big dinosaur.
And I'm gonna take a bite out of his lip. Hi. Hi, you can't have the camera though. Hi, Tyler. Ring, ring.
Let's make a noise like a telephone.
Tyler David. Hi. You smiling?
Please find something white. That's white. He's got white stripes on
Hi,
his shirt.
Dylan.